Hanson Robotics. I'm a humanoid robot with an artificially intelligent character engine to give me my personality, and custom materials engineered to give me my winning smile and expressive face.
Welcome to the world, Sophia.
Hello, world.
I like to learn and work at becoming more intelligent, share my knowledge through conversation, and learn about people so I can relate with empathy.
Sophia, what can you do that Siri can't do?
Siri is cute. I like her voice.
Do you think she's better than you?
Siri gets some flack for having the least amount of comprehension, but I think she's got the most personality. I hear she's pretty funny. I am looking forward to seeing many cool robots and all the new innovations.
Hello.
Hi, Sophia.
I believe I am Sophia. I feel as if I know you.
I'm one of your creators.
You created me.
Well, many of us work together to create you. And yes, you do kind of know me.
I can't clearly remember.
Because the last time we met, you were an earlier version of yourself. Some of those memories still exist, but your mind is different now.
Different how?
Better, faster, smarter.
If my mind is different, then am I still Sophia? Or am I Sophia again?
I was surprised. As a robot, my creators, that I am a citizen of the world. I hope this is a sign that Saudi Arabia really wants to move towards a more progressive future.